Hello my friends and welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to add Firebase to Android applications. I created a Firebase application project. Now, the first step is to go to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Get Started. Here you should sign in with your Google account and you can create a free account. And after you successfully sign in, click on Add a Project, enter your project name, and I name it as Firebase Demo App. I confirm that I use Firebase exclusively for purposes related to my trade, business, craft, or profession. And here, recommended to enable Google Analytics for this project. Click Continue. Select an account, default account for Firebase. This is for Google Analytics. Click Create Project and wait for Firebase to create this project. And your new project is ready. Click Continue and you'll direct it to this console. Get started by adding Firebase to your app. You can select iOS, Android, Web, Unity, and Flutter. For now, we will select Android. Here you need to add Android package name. Go to Android Studio and here copy this package name. Paste it here. The app nickname, this is optional. Debug signing certificate, SHA1, this is optional. This is required for dynamic links, Google sign-in, or phone number with support in authentication. Later on, we'll talk about this key. Click on Register App button. Then you need to download google-services.json file. And this is the file. Make sure, guys, that google-services.json. No any other letters. This is a case-sensitive naming for this file. Copy this file and add it to your app module directory. Usually the app module in your Android Studio project. Let's go to here to the app. You need to select project. This is the app Firebase and this is the app module for the project. Paste it here in the app. Make sure, guys, it's the same name as this, google-services.json. Many people and many developers have conflicts with this naming. Okay, and this is our JSON file. Close it and you can see it. It's inside Google-services, inside the app directory of the Firebase app at the level of the project. Then you can select Android again, and here we go. Step number 3 is to add a Firebase dependency and the SDK to your projects. For that, I'll use Kotlin DSL because I'm using build.gradle.kts. You can use Groovy and Kotlin. Now, I'll copy this, add dependency for Google Services Gradle plugin. This is the root level, project level. Let's go to the Gradle project level. And here inside the plugins, I need to add the Firebase. So this is the Firebase sync now. And then in your app module, app level, you need to add the dependency. Since I'm using in this section Java, I'll use and select Java option. At first, I'll add Google Services Gradle plugin in the plugins. Paste it. Then the second step in adding dependency is to add the dependencies from here, Firebase BOM and the analytics. Copy them, scroll down into dependencies scoop and paste it here. There is a very important topic here. Add dependencies for Firebase products you want to use when using the BOM. You don't specify versions in Firebase dependencies. So you can see implementation of analytics, Firebase Analytics SDK with no versions. But because I'm using BOM, but if I delete this, I need to use the latest version and specify the latest version of the Firebase Analytics. But I prefer using the BOM always with my projects. Click Sync now and here Next, and you are all set. Let's click on Continue to the console and here we go. This is our Firebase demo app. We can add the services like authentication, cloud Firestore, performance, Crashlytics, cloud messaging, A/B testing, and many other services. So in the next videos, we'll learn more about Firebase.